I was doing a Google search on human heart valve replacement with animal tissue. And it says several studies have shown that the recipients can accept a pig or a cow heart valve. Down underneath, Google puts out how long the animal heart valves last. They're saying 10 to 15 years. And then how long does a pig valve last in a human? It says 17 years or longer. It says they frequently must be replaced after 15 years. But there's one thing I came across. They may last over 20 years. But the average cow valve replacement is about 10 to 15 years. And then down here it says, are pig valves used in human hearts? And it says the advantages of using a pig or a cow valve is you do not require the lifetime use of a blood thinner. Those are the advantages to using a pig or a cow heart valve.